Hello, wise women, wisdom seekers, and sensitive souls. This is Biz Cush and the Awaken Your Wise Woman podcast. I so appreciate that you're here. And at this moment, the podcast is on a break. So we're replaying some of the old episodes. And this particular one was a I lead you in a beach visualization. Still can't say that word. Uh, and I recorded this during the pandemic when we really weren't going many places, including the beach. But I think it's still a good one to come back to. And I always enjoy meditations that take me to a place that helps me feel calm and relaxed. And for me, that's the beach. So take some time, take a few moments to get yourself comfortable, and we'll get this meditation started. But before we do, there will be a new group forming in the fall for highly sensitive women. And if you're interested in knowing more about that, we'll be doing meditations, we'll be doing parts work, we will be really exploring how you can live your best life as a sensitive soul. And if you're interested in that, the group is for women. It will be starting in the fall, and you can get on the email list to get more info as I put it out. So go to elizabethcushcoaching.com, and there is a button right at the top of the page on the left-hand side that will get you on the list. So here we go with the guided visualization. And I'm going to do the I have a hard time saying that word, visualization for being at the beach, because that is my favorite place to be and the place I feel the most grounded and myself and at ease. But if that doesn't resonate with you, you can imagine another place along with my prompts and make your own special place where you feel safe and calm and at ease. So put yourself in a comfortable place, sitting, lying down, sitting on a cushion, wherever you feel relaxed yet alert. And closing your eyes if that feels comfortable. Taking a few slow, deep breaths. Another one. Inhaling deeply. And exhaling. One last slow, deep breath in. Filling your lungs and your belly. And exhaling all the air out. And now imagine that you are at the beach or at the ocean, at the shore, depending on where you live, what you call it. Your feet are bare. The sun is warm but not hot. There's a gentle breeze in the air. And you're walking in the sand, feeling the warmth of the sand beneath your toes and your feet. Feeling the sand beneath your feet shift and move as your foot makes imprints in the sand. And as you're walking, just notice what you are seeing. Notice the colors. The color of the ocean. Is it dark green or turquoise? Or brown? depending on where you are or where you know the ocean, it may look different from how I see it when I go to the ocean. Notice the different shades as the sun lights on the surface of the water. And the ripples as the waves come in and out. And maybe there are birds or seagulls, which are also birds, but maybe there are birds that are there at the ocean with you or other people. And if the beach has a lot of other people, just noticing as they come and go into your attention as you're walking down the beach. Maybe noticing the colors of umbrellas or towels or bathing suits. And now we're going to imagine that we're going to sit on the sand and just noticing the warmth of the sand beneath your legs and your rear. And we're going to sit facing the ocean and just watch the waves as they come and go. And take a deep breath and notice, are there smells of the ocean and the sand and the sun hitting the sand? Can you smell the air, the sea air? What sounds do you hear? Maybe the seagulls laughing. Maybe the waves crashing as they hit the shore and retreat, going back out into the ocean. Maybe you hear children laughing, or adults yelling at children, or adults laughing and talking. You might hear a lifeguard whistle. And just allow all the sounds to come and go in and out of your awareness without focusing too much on any one sound, but just allowing the sounds to wash over you. And maybe you can feel the sun as it warms the top of your head and your shoulders and your back and your legs. And if your thoughts and worries pull you away, just bring your attention back to this visualization. Just like the waves come and go, just allow your thoughts to come and go as well. And just noticing what's around you here in this moment at the beach. Maybe there are seashells. Maybe there are pelicans flying by, or boats out on the water, fishing. Maybe you can see children playing in the waves in front of you. And just allowing yourself to be here in this moment. Maybe you have a cool drink by your side and a good book on the towel or blanket beneath you. And if you're sitting on a blanket, if you imagine that you're sitting on a blanket or a towel, just noticing the patterns of whatever that is, whatever the material is that you're sitting on. Are there colors? Is it soft? And now imagine that you're just lying down with the sun warming your skin. You're totally safe here in this moment. You can hear the waves coming and going as they hit the shore, and the tide pulls them back out again. And the sound of the waves is like rocking you into a gentle, calm state where you can feel totally relaxed and at ease. And now bring your attention back to your breath, noticing as it comes and goes, just like waves on the ocean. As you breathe in and out, know that worries and thoughts and good times and bad times are like your breath and like the ocean. They come and they go. And we can just be in this moment, allowing whatever it is to be here with it, knowing that this too will shift and change, just like the ocean, as it comes and it goes, as it comes in and it goes out. Now take one last long deep breath in, exhaling out. You can open your eyes and gently move your body, bringing yourself back to wherever you are. Well, I hope that little trip to the beach helped you feel more calm and relaxed, or wherever it is you decided to go with that visualization. And know that you can come back to this meditation anytime, whenever you're feeling the need to take yourself away to a place that brings you peace and calm and relaxation. And I will be bringing mindful meditative practices into my group for women, for sensitive women, this coming fall. So if you're interested in getting on the mailing list to find out more about the group, it's a new group for me. So this first round will be, I will be looking for your feedback and insight and suggestions for how it's going. But you can get on the list for information if you go to elizabethcushcoaching.com. There's a button right at the top of the page that says put me on the list, and you're in, and you'll get all the info, so you'll be kept posted, and I will be sharing more about the structure of the group, the cost, and all of that. Well, I hope that you've had a relaxing experience listening to this visualization, and I will connect with you here soon on the podcast. And we'll be back for our regular season in the fall.